The secret to glossy, healthy hair isn't just the oil you use, it's how you use it. Most people think more oil means better results, but that's a myth. Too much oil can weigh hair down and clog your scalp. Proper oiling nourishes your scalp, strengthens hair, and seals in moisture for shine and frizz control. Not all oils are created equal. What works for one person might not work for another. The real magic happens when oil is absorbed, not just sitting on top. Technique matters. A small amount, applied the right way, transforms dull hair into dazzling locks. Don't just coat the surface. Let the nutrients penetrate for real repair and strength. Forget the myths. It's about quality, not quantity. With the right method, you'll see healthier, shinier hair in no time. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. Oils fall into two camps, penetrating and sealing. Penetrating oils like coconut, olive, and avocado get inside the hair shaft to deeply condition and repair. Sealing oils, think argan, jojoba, grapeseed, sit on the surface, locking in moisture and adding shine. Fine hair? Go for lighter oils like avocado. Thick or dry hair? Coconut or olive oil is your friend. For frizz and shine, use a sealing oil after styling. Listen to your hair's needs and choose accordingly. Want a DIY boost? Mix coconut and olive oil for deep nourishment, or add tea tree to jojoba for a soothing scalp blend. Experiment to find your perfect formula. The right oil makes all the difference. Let's get hands-on with application. Start with clean, slightly damp hair for best absorption, or dry hair for pre-wash treatments. Divide hair into sections to ensure even coverage. Gently detangle with a wide-tooth comb or fingers. Warm a small amount of oil in your hands, then massage into your scalp using circular motions. Work the rest through mid-lengths and ends. These need the most moisture. For a boost, wrap hair in a warm towel or use a shower cap and gentle heat for 20 minutes. Heat opens cuticles, letting oil penetrate deeper. Don't rush. Take a few minutes to massage and let the oil work. This simple routine transforms hair health and shine. Next, let's talk about washing it out. Leave oil in for 30 to 60 minutes or overnight for extra nourishment. Just protect your pillow. To wash out, apply shampoo directly to dry, oiled hair before adding water. Massage, then rinse and repeat if needed. Follow with conditioner on mid-lengths and ends to seal in moisture and boost softness. Finish with a cool rinse for extra shine. Consistency is key. Make oiling a regular habit for best results. With these steps, you'll notice stronger, shinier hair after every treatment. No fancy products needed, just the right oil and technique. Try it for yourself and see the transformation. Love your hair again. Simple as that. Hit the notification bell for more skincare tips and beauty routines. Stay glowing and see you in the next video.